Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to set up fingerprint unlock on this laptop. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, go to Accounts, and here select Sign In Options, then go to Fingerprint Recognition, click Setup, then click Get Started, then confirm with your PIN code, and start pressing the power button with the finger that you want to unlock your device with. Use different parts of your finger for the best experiences. Now add the edges, and when you're all set, you can close this window. Now using Windows L combination of keys, you can put your device on the lock screen, and then let's try to unlock the device using the fingerprint. And as you can see, it went smoothly. And now if you want to remove the fingerprint from your device, you have to go to the same menu in Settings. So Settings, Accounts, Sign In Options, Fingerprint Recognition, and here select Remove. And this way you will remove your fingerprint from this laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.